I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove and unlink a OneLink device from your OneLink account. Step 1. Open the OneLink app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap the specific device you want to remove in this list. An information screen for this specific device is shown. Step 2. Tap the settings icon on this screen. Step 3. Scroll down to the bottom of this menu and then tap Remove Device. A window pops up asking if you would like to unpair this device. Step 4. Tap OK. That device will be removed from your OneLink account. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.